Glenn Warner, GorillaMaker.com. Today you received a brand new GM3D200 in the mail today. It's in a big cardboard box. You opened up the box, and as you did, you saw the printer laying in the box this direction. It's filled with peanuts and some foam packing. You scoop some of it out, and from the sides you pulled this out of the box. And you're going to bring it up to a table and set it up. Once you have it on the table, you're going to want to make sure all the peanuts and packing foam is removed from here. Something you're going to observe, some of you, depending on how far we ship this, you might find that the gantry is about that position and this belt is tied together with a red tie wrap. And there could be a red tie wrap on these two belts and this belt. Those are stops, and they keep this from moving around during shipment. Depending on when you buy this, it could be foam blocks in here as well, one way or the other. If it's a red tie wrap, take the handy dandy cutters that are inside your GorillaMaker toolkit, and when you find this pair of cutters, yours may vary, you want to reach over here and cut the red tie wrap off on all these belts. Definitely going to be a red tie wrap if you have it, or it could be a foam block. If it's foam block, you obviously don't need to cut it off. Once you've taken your printer out of the box and you have it setting on a surface, you've taken your red tie wraps off for your foam packing, you've made sure all the peanuts are gone. You want to make sure you're looking back here where the system board is and make sure there's no peanuts stuck down in here. Very easily some packing could go down in here. Make sure you pull it out. That's all you do to unpack your 3D printing. In the next video, we'll show you a few things you need to check before you start printing.